just a hint of smoke. That's what makes Fumella, Grande's new smoked mozzarella, different from anything else in the marketplace. This cheese is lightly smoked with cherry and hickory wood to create a unique smoked mozzarella flavor that complements your other ingredients without overpowering them. And with 4 in 5 consumers preferring a lighter smoke flavor, it makes Fumella ideal for savory pizzas, sandwiches, calzones, appetizers, and more.
It's a very light smoke, and it's excellent. You can pretty much pair that with almost anything we do.
In addition to its subtle smoked flavor, Fumella offers you the same high-quality mozzarella you've come to expect from Grande, with excellent melt, stretch, and reheatability. And to save you time and labor, Grande Fumella comes pre-shredded.
I think the word is game changer, because nobody's doing this. Nobody's doing a shredded, lightly smoked mozzarella.
More importantly, this flavor is in, with nearly everyone saying they would be willing to try smoked mozzarella on a pizza. It's a craveable addition to your menu that attracts new customers who are looking for the next evolution in pizza.
This has the ability to be the next big thing. You can really utilize this for a lot more things than just a pizza. I think they hit it out of the park.
Set yourself apart from the competition by adding Fumella, a lightly smoked mozzarella your customers won't be able to resist. Call or text your sales associate today to schedule a tasting.